Good morning. So I just woke up. Yeah, it is now 6. It's 10:06. I'm going to go take a shower, and then afterwards I think I need to do something with my face because my lips are dry. My face is dry. Everything upon me is just dry, girl. It's winter now. My voice is a bit yeah, I had the flu, so I'm getting better now, so yeah. Yeah, let me get ready. I think let me put like a face mask for my face because I can't be this dry, guys. And also I didn't do my happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. I didn't do my laundry. I have nothing to wear. Literally, I have nothing to wear, but I do something, but it's just, I don't think that's what I wanted to wear, but I'm gonna have to wear that, you know. Face mask. That's what I'm thinking of. Dry skin. Gotta sort this out. Right, let me get ready, and then let's go to work. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna be using this tea tree wash scrub mask. It's a 3-in-1 mask, scrub, wash. So I'm gonna use that. Hopefully that's gonna help me, yeah, get rid of the dry skin cells. Let's go. Okay, so I got it on my hand. My face is a bit dry. I mean, of course you can put like a little bit of water on your face, but I'm not gonna wait for it to like get dry and all that because, you know, I don't have time. I use this a lot, clearly. Come on. You still got some juice left in you. You don't? You do? Wait. Shake it. Shake it up. Don't you guys do this? I know it's so ghetto. It's more ghetto when you start putting water inside. Oh, there we go. I got a little bit. It's more ghetto when you start putting water in there. It's so tasty too. It's sugar. Let me go wash my face and wash myself, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I just took a shower. This is what my skin looks like after, you know, yeah. And my lips, I brushed my teeth, so now I have to put on a face mask. So I have this one and a vitamin C and a hyaluronic acid one. This one is a AHA BHA. I don't know what this means, so I need to research that before I put it on my face. And yeah, these are from Nature Republic. It's a Korean brand. Yay. So I think vitamin C. I was in the sun the other day, so I got sunburned too. That's also another thing. I need some hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna use this hyaluronic acid one. So once I do that, oh, that's what it looks like. It smells good. It smells clean. It smells refreshing too. now I'm gonna put on some lotion. I got the clear, not clear, love your beautiful skin. Yes, I got that, and I got the PortiaM body oil, skin oil. Hi guys, so yeah, my face mask looks like this. I'm at work. Why does this thing look like this? I look funny. I'm at work, right? And I wasn't done, so I had to take my sister to the taxi rank, and I didn't finish my whole step. So, ooh, look at that. Oh, my face look nice. And then, you know, you throw this away. Put this in the bin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pat my skin. I don't know, it helps. With what? I don't know. Slap yourself just a little bit. So I was driving around with a face mask, and I got in here, and one of the students are like, how memufaki bov? Anything they see you put on your face, they say you bov, because these little babies. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that, you know, dry a little bit. And so that's my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this edge control gel. I don't know if I can recommend this. Like, I got it was like the cheapest one, and I mean, it's okay so far. It's okay so far. I can go tool. And then let's just put some gel in the hair, and then just, here are the buses. More students are coming. Oh, that's so much gel here. Some gel there. Some gel here. Yeah. Swoop up. There we go. There we go. I like that. No, it's okay. It is definitely controlling my edges. And then again, you know, just the good old don't look pashile vibe. Guys, mom is all okay. Mtana was a passion when I came back from school. So like Mtana was a passion. Therefore, making me do this whole skincare routine thing in the morning, like, yo. I was like, Ma, what do you mean? That man. Like, obviously, saying passion was just another longer. Girl was like, babes, or passion. Tim Tanam foods, hey, Mr. Tim Tanam, uyazik. Gutska, Tegnaka. There you go. And then just brush this up. It has a little bit of gel, not too much, obviously, because you don't want straight gel in your. I don't look angry. Do I look angry? I mean, people do like these natural brows like this. Anyway, yeah. Let's just do that. Yeah. You don't want to have dirty ears. Clean them up. Ooh, clean. I forgot my lip gloss. Oh my god, that is such a crime. I'm gonna have dry lips the whole day and I just exfoliated my lips. No, I must have something. No, what's this? What's this? I left it in my other jacket. No, guys. I have the bootleg Vicks. No! I'm gonna have dry lips. I can't. Oh my god. Like, is there no... There has to be something in this car. No, there's nothing. There's only face mask. I'm gonna wear a face mask because I have dry lips. Dry lips! Me no go. I forgot my lip gloss and I didn't even bring a backpack. These people were rushing me. They were rushing me. Sibehle, get ready. So you can take me to work. So you can take me to stop into the taxi rank. Boy, I forgot my lip gloss. The most important thing. How am I gonna enjoy my day with dry lips? Somebody please explain to me. Okay, my face is dry now. Let's put on some lotion. This has the PortiaM marula oil. I didn't put a toner on today, so because of time, but you know, I'm happy with what we got so far because my skin do be looking good. There you go. And I guess I'm gonna use my bootleg Vicks. It just doesn't hit the spot though. It doesn't hit the spot. It doesn't. I mean, it's shiny, but I want glossy shiny. Glossier.